What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin, and in this video, we shall also be looking at the reason why Bitcoin hasn't been able to make a higher high. Because obviously, if you watched my video yesterday, I made it known to us that we are still within this influence of lower lows, lower highs right here, which we have been getting, as you can see. So right now, I made it known to us that there's a possibility that we could either get rejected from here at 77, or we could end up rallying even all the way to $80,000. But the possibility or the probability of us breaking above $18,000 is very slim. But right now, you could see that we are most likely going to be getting rejected from here and dropping even much lower. So, that is what I just wanted us to know from this analysis right here, from that chart. Looking at this other chart, you could see I made it obvious to us even yesterday that we are most likely going to be having a roadblock right here between $77,730 to $78,000, because we are most likely going to be consolidating within this range. And you could see even from the 4 hours time frame that this has been the case. This has definitely been the case. You could see we have been consolidating for a while within this range, dropping all the way to 75,000, all the way to 77, roughly 78,000. So yesterday, we got rejected from this resistance at 77,700. We are probably, we got the confirmation candle. So I think we could still see Bitcoin pulling all the way down to 75,600. If possible, we could even drop even lower to 75,000 on the dot to probably find support to rally again all the way to 78,000. If this is not going to be the case next, then I think we're probably going to be breaking below this major support right here at 75,000. Retesting and dumping all the way to probably 73 or 72,700 level. So I think this is definitely what we should expect from Bitcoin moving forward, especially given the fact that we are still in this bear flag pattern from the weekly or daily time frame for you to take note of. So I think this is definitely all I need to say right now. From the other chart right here on Bitcoin, you could see that I made it known to that there could be a possibility that Bitcoin has broken out, because you could see we have been consolidating within this range for a while. And while consolidating within this range, it seems we broke out, found support, and we are probably going to either rally all the way to 79, or we could head even much lower to 75 or 73,500. Either of these is most likely going to be the case. And now, looking at things right here, we could see the USDT dominance is very much elevated today, and just as it was kind of elevated kind of yesterday. And with the look of things too, we could see right here that it is already gaining strength, and I made it known to us that it's either we see some major move to the downside before we finally break out. This might end up being the case, or we could end up still seeing a pullback towards the lower levels right here. For the crude oil right here, crude oil is still very much bearish. We are still trading above $90. We haven't broken below $90. So who knows, we could either rally into this major resistance right here at $98 to $100, probably break out, or we could end up dumping even much lower. So depending on how we're going to react to this $92 support, will determine how the market will also rally. The S&P 500 is still very well. It's still doing very well, though it took a little bit of it had a little bit of correction yesterday, but that doesn't change the fact to me that okay, it's either we see it dumping a little bit again before rallying, or we could just end up seeing it rallying. Because if you look at it from the daily time frame right here, the S&P 500 is still doing very well. You could see it's still doing very well. Yesterday it did well. Today it's most likely going to do well too. So I think that's just definitely what we need to know. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.